As always, please retry the question before watching the video. What is the WTD for understanding questions? The WTD for all understanding questions is be as literal as possible, and it absolutely applies to literals, which is the question at hand. And if you use that frame of reference, these will be very easy. The second easiest category on the English section. You should never miss these questions. And this one is weird, but if you follow the rule, it's so obvious the right answer. So let's take a look. Answer A. So the question, which of the following quotations attributed to Banksy best suggests why Banksy has not revealed his identity to the public? So that is what's at hand. Which one of these explains why he hasn't revealed his identity to the public? Art is not like other culture because its success is not made by its audience. Maybe it's vague face, but probably not going to be the right answer because it's just not as obvious. The answer is usually obvious if you're just as literal as possible. That explains why he's not showing his identity. If you want to say something and have people listen, then you have to wear a mask. That explains why he's not doing it. It doesn't matter if it makes any sense. It doesn't make any sense to me, but it's not what we're looking for. We're looking for which one literally answers what it's asking, which is which one explains why he's not showing his identity. Answer B is certainly going to be our right answer. Answer C. Graffiti is one of the few tools you have if you have almost nothing. No, that doesn't explain why he's wearing the mask. Speak softly but carry a big can of paint. Nope, doesn't explain why he's not sharing his identity. And so the only one that does is answer B, and that is our correct answer. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet and then go on to complete the literals mastery, since this is likely the last literals question that you missed on this test, getting 10 in a row on the literals mastery. Because remember, this is the second easiest category. You should always get these questions correct. If you're not, it's something simple. You are probably overcomplicating this, and it will click if you do the mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row. Then come back to the test and start on the next category that you missed the most of.